In Costa Rica, it's mating season for this anolis lizard. To attract a female, he must put on a show. Unfortunately, his eye-catching moves draw unwanted attention. A motmot with a taste for lizards. Trapped, he can't stay put, and lizards can't survive underwater. Or can they? This may be a fatal mistake. Coming up for air would mean certain death. But this is no ordinary lizard. His special water-repellent scales trap a silvery layer of air against his body, which acts like his very own scuba tank. And he can stay submerged for almost 18 minutes. Long enough for this bird brain to get bored. He's one of the only lizards in the world that's able to do this.